Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to space lines evenly in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. Now I am already open my document. Now I am modify this text. Now firstly select the text box and double click on the text box and press Ctrl A on your keyboard and select all text. Then go to the Windows menu and go to the table and type and tables. Then go to the character. Now I am change the front of this text. Then you can see here are the leading option. Now I am increase this or decrease this. Then now increase the font size. Then you can click the drop down menu and here are 6 pt, 8 pt, 9 pt, 10, 11, 12. Select auto. Now you can see space line evenly in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.